Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to pay bills through Gcash app. If you're so tired in spending your time going to the offices of where you're going to pay your bills, then Gcash is here to help you. So to start with, just go to your Gcash app. Let's open. And as you can see, there is your homepage where you can see the different icons, the different features that Gcash offers to you. Okay, so since we're going to pay bills, this is a very simple. All you need to do, guys, is just tap this bills over here at the upper right part of the screen. So click that bills, and of course, in category view all, click view all, and let's wait for the Gcash process the list of the billers. All right, so let's wait for a couple of seconds or a minute depending on our internet connections. So as you can see, guys, these are the billers, the partner billers of Gcash. So as you can see, when we're going to scroll it down, there are a lot of partners. Okay, so let's say, for example, when we are going to pay our bills in the Philippine Airlines, let's say, for example, we are going to buy a ticket in the Philippine Airlines. So to make it fast in looking for the Philippine Airlines, so all we need is to type the here in the search bar. Okay, so let's type Philippine. Okay, Philippine Airlines. All right, Philippine Airlines. All right, so there it is. So just simply tap that. Okay, and now you can follow now the steps on how to pay these bills. Of course, we're going to input the amount, the reference number, the customer contact number, and email address. Okay, so let's say, for example, another one is, let's say for example, Coco Life. Okay, a Coco Gen. Okay, this is in the insurance company. So let's say, for example, when we are going to pay our insurance, then we can pay it through Gcash app. Okay, so of course, the same process, you have to enter the amount, okay, the name of the insured, the invoice number, the mobile number, and of course, the email address. So this is so simple, guys, on how to pay your bills. Just tap this search engine and type the billers in order for you to make it fast to look for that biller. Okay, so there you go, guys. This is on how to pay bills through Gcash app. So if you want to know on how to pay bills through Gcash app, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to pay bills through Gcash app, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!